Hi guys, welcome back to Learning with JD. And in today's session, we are going to talk about one of the most primary question. And I'm sorry for this late video. I think I should have done this much before. Tell me, honestly, if you have understood what is a project. We are studying project management. We are appearing for an examination, PMP or CAPM, whatever it may be, depending upon your capabilities. But what do you understand, or what is the true definition of a project? Understanding the clear definition and the true definition of the project is going to help you get approximately 2 to 4 questions correct in your examination. So is the examiner going to ask you what is a project? No. But they will give you scenarios in which you need to define whether this is a project or it is not a project. Whether you are working in that scenario or no. It can be a possibility that you have not gotten exposure till now to work on a large project in your organization, which is fine. But you have to think that way. You have to think big. You have to think in a scenario that you are working on a large project which is building a dam. The project is for millions of dollars. The project is for lasting for 2 years, and you have 500 people working under that project. That's the space and that's the length and breadth of the type of projects which which will help you clear your examination. I'm being very focused, just thinking about the examination that you need to clear on right now. Irrespective of whether you have done that in your real scenario or no, just imagine you have, and then try to understand. So we know what the definition of a project is, right? A project is a temporary endeavor which has a start date and an end date, and what else? A project creates a unique product, service, or a result. It has to be unique. It cannot be anything which is going on, or it's an operational in nature. It has to be unique. So that is the clear understanding of what the project is all about. Now let's take 1 or 2 examples, okay? Assuming it's a Friday evening and aram se you're sitting in your office, and suddenly your boss comes and tells you that you have sent a mail to him and he's not able to open that system is crashed. Can you just look into that and fix it? Is that a project? Think again before replying. Is that a project? Will you be able to define a schedule for check out what it is or fix it? Will you be able to define your scope? Maybe, because the scope is that you need to fix that software which is crashed, but will you be having a cost element to that? Will you check on the quality? Will you be able to create WBS for that? In that scenario, that is not a project. Is it an operational job? No, it is not even an operational job, but it is just BAU. It is business as usual, right? So you need to clearly understand what the difference is and what the understanding of the project is. Remember, whenever you are answering your question, the project manager, which is you, the project manager should be able to come up with a project management plan. Are you going to create a project management plan for just a small thing that your boss just told you? And now this is a very exaggerated example which I gave you of a very small a software which is crashed. It can be a little larger scenario also, which may not be a project. It can even be a scenario that will take you a week or 10 days to fix it. But that is not a part of project, because you will not be able to create WBS out of it. You will not be able to do control and monitoring. Understand, when you are doing your project or when you are defining your project management plan, all the elements which are mentioned as a part of the knowledge area has to be included. It can be a possibility that some are done at a macro level, some are done at a micro level, which is also okay, which is fine. But all the knowledge areas should be accommodated in that. That is the key thing that you need to understand as a project manager. So guys, please be sure 3 to 4 more questions in your examination. Of course, it will not ask you what is a project or what is a project manager's role, but it will directly ask you a scenario and then say whether are you working in a project, are you working in a project scenario. right? So please keep that in mind. The project is a temporary endeavor. It has to have a start date and an end date, and it has to produce a unique product, service, or a result. Yeah? Alright, so see you in the next session with some more quick tips. Till then, keep connecting, keep studying, and all the best.